What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Today is Sunday. We are about to do a hair treatment. As you guys can see, I was wearing my hair in a ponytail, and it's time. Like, my next hair appointment is basically like two weeks from now. It's not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So we're just gonna have to do something in the meantime. So I'm gonna be doing this Nazar protein potion. It's a retention, protection, and growth treatment made with organic honey, milk, and natural oils. And I'm basically gonna use the rest of this. Like, if you could see, it's like right here. I did order more of this stuff on the Black Friday sale, so I'm super excited. And I'm like, I need to get rid of this one because I'm gonna need more room in my fridge, because you actually have to keep this refrigerated. So yeah, and your girl's trying to grow her hair out, so we really need to start taking this serious. That's what we're gonna do. So anyways, that's what's going on this lovely Sunday. And this, like, there's for sure vinegar in this because this stuff stinks. Anyways, if you see like flaky stuff right here, my skin is very, very dry. But and I wore makeup last night, and I only like used the makeup remover. I actually didn't wash my face. That is unlike me, but I was like super tired. Anyways, I say that to say is I'm gonna wash my face after we do this, because I think this might drip on my face. So anyways, watch me work.
Mr. J is Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept.
My camera died, but this is how we're looking. And I'm gonna leave this in for about a couple hours. What's up, y'all? So today is Monday. I didn't get to update y'all on my hair, but this is how it looked today. So I did like a full twist out. Didn't add no heat to my hair, and it came out cute. I wore the style before, and I'll probably wear it for like the next 2 weeks. But y'all, I went to Trader Joe's earlier to get like my weekly groceries, and I bought I'm making something new today. It's not like, it's pretty easy, but like it's new stuff that I bought, and let me show y'all. So by the way, I'm making pasta. So yeah, but I bought this sauce. So I bought this sauce from Trader Joe's. These are the noodles, and let me show y'all. And then I bought these noodles. They're protein noodles. And y'all know I love me some pasta, but we gotta get all the protein we need. So it's 2 ounces, 190 calories, and 10 grams of protein. How many ounces is this? 14. So yeah, but I used half of this box and half of the sauce, so I'll probably make this again too. But it, like, the sauce is really good. Like, I didn't really need to add too much seasoning. But yeah, oh yeah, and then I'm also making salmon too as my meat. And this is how it came out. So you got salmon and the pasta, and y'all, it's good. It's probably like a weird combination, because usually I've seen salmon with white sauce, but it's still good, and I'm trying to get all my proteins. So what's up, y'all? So today is Tuesday, and it's like 12:30, and I'm about to go to the mall real quick because I need to make a return. I bought these boots off of Macy's, and they just did not fit right. Like, so I'm gonna just return them and probably look on their website again. I don't know, I just never have the patience to shop for shoes. Usually I buy my shoes online. even though it's probably smart to shop for shoes in store, but I just don't feel like it. Anyways, so I'm gonna return those. I might show y'all what they look like. They were really cute. Like, I'm trying to get more work boots, but I'm not having no luck. I might just have to buy some like name brand ones. Like, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So that's what we're on our way to do. For the boots. They're cute, but they just didn't fit my cap, and they look a little bit worn. Like, y'all see that? No, ma'am. We are a Blast fan in this car, okay?
But now we getting paid for it. Hey, upstairs with the champagne. No question, you should send that my way.
Hold on. I thought this was so cute because you get all 3 flavors. I think I'm gonna try this because it's 30% off, and I love like a glow serum I could put on if I'm not wearing foundation. This one looks blessed up. Yeah. Now we are at the one and only. Y'all, this is so cute. I want to do one. Or even this one. This one's cute too. Definitely, ooh. No, the Hershey one. And I bet it'll be good after you're done. Okay, never mind, I lied. Oreo, hands down, is probably the best one. Oh. Y'all, this is so cute. This reminds me of Starbucks. Or like that black one there is cute too. The round one's okay. Now we are at Super Supplements to get my pre-workout. So I've heard this brand do be good from like all the Instagram girlies, but I don't know if I want it. Okay, so I found Talani. I believe this is the one I already have that I've been using, but I've tried this one in like a liquid form, and this one is actually really good. So I might try this. I think I'm gonna get this one. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. So last night we went to Dave's Hot Chicken, but y'all, the line was wrapped around the building. So, and we weren't gonna wait 2 hours for some fast food, so we just ended up going to Cheesecake Factory. They are always good. I want to try them maybe in like 2 months when like the hype dies down, because it seems like they're gonna be packed every day, all day for the next like couple of weeks. So maybe in like a month or 2 we'll try going back. But anyways, today's Saturday, so we're about to go grab us something to eat, maybe do some shopping. Look, you want to go to Target, maybe TJ Maxx. I don't know, we'll see how the day goes, but I will catch y'all once we figure out where we're gonna go eat. So y'all, we're at Target now. This is so cute, and this cup. Like, these are really cute gifts. And I was looking at this. This looks kind of weird. And they got Starbucks inspired cups down here. This is so pretty. This one too. What's up, y'all? So I came back on here to in this vlog. I'm currently laying down in my bed trying to edit, and I didn't want to end this video with no outro or update. But y'all, check out my candle collection. I got more, but I'll need to show y'all my whole nightstand because it's not organized. And fun fact, if y'all didn't know, if y'all had not pinked my room, which I don't really try to show my room too much because I don't entirely like the way it looks. But anyways, my headboard is to the left of me when I lay down. So it's not like normal people where it's not like most people where it's actual a headboard and it's above your head. Mine's is to the left of me. So if you guys were ever wondering. But anyways, wanted to give you guys an update because it looked like I went to all these stores and didn't buy anything, which I did, but I bought a bunch of gifts so I bought both my sisters a gift from Sephora. Then I also bought my mom a gift, but I bought her gift on Amazon. I bought my dad's gift offline, and then I still gotta buy my stepmom's gift, my brother a gift, and yeah, really. But we're getting somewhere. We're like almost halfway there. So yeah, y'all. But I'm super excited to I love gift giving and I love receiving gifts. But I think I liked giving gifts more than receiving. I'll catch y'all on the next vlog because my battery's about to die. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.